Welcome kids. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, types of software. As you know, computer is a machine but it does not own any intelligence. So we want any software to do some work on the computer. Software is the set of a program that is stored on the hardware of computer. As you know, software is the program that we can't touch and see, but it is very useful to do work on computer. Without any software we can't able to do any work on computer. Okay, then I am going to tell you about types of software today. There are two types of software: system software and application software. As you see, system software has three types. It is divided in three parts. First is operating system, second is utility software, or third is language processor. So what does operating system do? Operating system command all over the system of computer. ये आपको हेल्प करता है कंप्यूटर के ऊपर सारे काम को मैनेज करने के लिए. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इस टाइप के होते हैं. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम: विंडोज़, लाइनक्स, यूनिक्स एंड मैक ओएस. These are the different operating systems that help us to do work on computer. Next is utility software. Utility software is something that can help on computer to do different kind of things. It help us day-to-day work in computer, like network utility. कंप्यूटर का नेटवर्क इस्टेब्लिश करने में फॉर द इंटरनेट इट हेल्प अस. File manager, as we have so many files on the computer, file manager does record the data of files. It distribute the file on the among the different drives on computer. Now disk management, as the hardware or the disk management is very compulsory for the computer. We have C, D and the other drives on the computer. Disk manager or disk management help us to maintain the disk management on the computer. Next is scanning. When we do something online, it is very dangerous that some virus attack on our computer. It can harm our data and computer. So antivirus program or scanning is very useful in nowadays. So antivirus program not on any other. So we have so many antivirus programs in today's life. So we can download into that software programs into our computer, and we are all safe from the viruses. Then backup. Sometimes we may lose our data from the hard disk. May the hard disk can be ruined, or we can delete all the files, or something is happening. हो सकती है कुछ भी. So we have backup on the Windows or utility software, so we can survive our data and our useful files. Next is language processor. As you know that computer is a machine and it understands only 0 and 1. So language processor is must happening in the computer. As you know that main computer languages are C, C++, Java and Python and so many. These all languages need interpreter and compiler. Interpreter is the language processor that convert our language into the binary. It converts the language, or it converts the program line by line. Interpreter converts the program line by line, and the compiler converts the whole program at once. So these are the system software. Now we come to the application software. Application software is used to do work on some particular task. ये किसी particular thing को करने के लिए, particular काम को करने के लिए यूज में आती है. Again, it is divided into two parts: general purpose application software and special purpose application software. As we can see from the name, general purpose, it is used for general purpose. In day to day we have so many works on the computer to जो हमारा काम होता है उसको कम करने के लिए, जो बर्डन होता है उसको कम करने के लिए, these general purpose application software are very useful. Like MS Word. If we want to some documentation or text regarding work, we can use MS Word. MS Excel. MS Excel is very useful to do mathematical and arithmetical calculations. MS Access, it is office purpose only. This general purpose software is very useful in office works. MS PowerPoint, to make a presentation, to put our thoughts in a very presentable manner. This is very useful application. Next, Corel Draw. If you want your imagination in a lively manner, this will very helpful application. Like Paint. Then Photoshop. Then Movie Maker. These are the general purpose utility software. Those we use in day-to-day life to easen up our work. Next is special purpose application software. These software only used by the professionals. ये जो प्रोफेशनल वर्कर्स होते हैं उन्हीं के काम में आता है, लाइक टैली, बिजी. लाइक इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड द GST टर्म, ये एक टेक्स्ट का टाइप होता है जो कि टफ होता है समझने के लिए. देन टैली इज़ वेरी यूजफुल टू डू टेक्स्ट. जो टैक्स होते हैं उसको करने के लिए बहुत यूज़फुल होती है फॉर द अकाउंट्स होल्डिंग. तो दीज आर द वेरी प्रोफेशनल एप्लीकेशंस सॉफ्टवेयर. ये स्पेशल लोगों के लिए या स्पेशल जॉब करने वाले लोगों के लिए यूज़फुल होती है. सो दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. आई एम गोइंग प्रोवाइड टू यू द PDF of the chapter. You can read it and understand it. Okay, bye.